So, you're ready to upgrade your phone, but there's a little secret that could stop you in your tracks. Yep, I'm talking about a credit check. That brand new phone you've been eyeing? It might just depend on a three-digit number you didn't realize was so important. When you apply for a postpaid plan, carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile run a credit check to see how much of a risk you are. While there isn't one official minimum score, having what's considered poor credit, generally a score below 580, can mean getting hit with a hefty security deposit or even being denied. Let's break down the scores that can get you approved. Generally, the higher your score, the better your chances. A score of 670 or above is considered good and usually gets you approved with no deposit and the best financing offers, like 0% APR. For Verizon, a score in the 600-650 range is seen as favorable, but you'll have the best shot at no deposit with a score over 650-700. If your score is on the lower end, you might still get approved, but expect a higher security deposit. T-Mobile is often seen as a bit more lenient. You'll likely need a score of at least 620 to get a postpaid plan without a huge deposit. To get those sweet $0 down deals on the newest phones, a score closer to 680 or 700 is ideal. If your score is lower, you could be looking at a deposit anywhere from $100 to $500. AT&T also runs a credit check for new customers and may require a deposit if your score isn't where they'd like it to be. While they don't publish exact numbers, a score below 600 will likely lead to a deposit or a denial for their best plans. So, what can you do if your credit is less than perfect? Don't sweat it, you've got options. Prepaid plans are your best friend here. They require no credit check because you pay for the service upfront. Carriers like Visible, 𝐔𝐿, and Metro, and even the main providers, offer competitive prepaid plans on the same reliable networks. Some carriers also have programs to help you move up. For example, T-Mobile's Smartphone Equality program may allow you to switch to a postpaid plan after 12 months of on-time prepaid payments. Knowing where you stand with your credit before you go phone shopping can save you from a nasty surprise. If your score is on the lower side, a prepaid plan is a great way to get the service you need without the stress of a credit check or a big deposit. Plus, it gives you time to work on your credit so you can qualify for those premium deals later on.